Good morning, children. Some more paragraph from the lesson The Cutting of My Long Hair by Jit Kala Shah. Children, in my last class I told you how her spirit was struggling very hard to regain its lost freedom. I have already told you that she was securely tied, but all her attempts to run away from that place to get her freedom had proved to be useless. A pale-faced woman. Now see what happens in the next paragraph. A pale-faced woman with white hair came up after us. There was an English lady. Pale face means a white person. There was an English lady. Her hair was white. She entered that place after everyone had entered. We were placed in a line of girls. There was a line of girls. Jit Kala Shah and some other girls were told to join that line. They were forced to join that line, who were marching into the dining room. That line of girls was going towards the dining room. Jit Kala Shah and other girls were forced to join that line. In other words, they were supposed to be moving towards the dining room. These were Indian girls. The word Indian has nothing to do with India, our country. Indian girls here means original inhabitants of America. These girls were original inhabitants of America. They were wearing stiff shoes. Stiff means what? Not easily bent or changed in shape. In other words, rigid. These Indian girls were wearing stiff shoes and closely clinging dresses. The dresses which were on their bodies were closely clinging, sticking to their skin. The small girls wore sleeved apron. What is an apron? A protective garment worn over the front of one's clothes and tied at the back. A protective garment worn over the front of one's clothes and tied at the back. There were some girls who were wearing sleeved aprons with sleeves. This is called a sleeve. Their aprons had sleeves. And singled hair. Single means what? The verb verb verb. Single means cut hair close to the head. Cut hair close to the head. It has one other meaning also. Singled hair cut in such a way that the hair tapers. 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 From the back of the head to the nape of the neck. Cut in such a way that the hair tapers from the back of the head to the nape of the neck. So, those girls had singled hair cut close to the head. I felt like sinking to the floor. The small girls wore sleeved aprons and single hair as I walked noiselessly in my soft moccasins. Moccasins, what is a soft? A comfortable shoe made from soft leather. A comfortable shoe made from soft leather with large stitches around the front. A comfortable shoe made from soft leather with large stitches around the front. So the shoes she was wearing were made up of soft leather called moccasins. I felt like sinking to the floor. She was so embarrassed, so uncomfortable that she felt like sinking to the floor. For my blanket had been stripped from my shoulders. Her blanket had been removed from her shoulders. I looked hard at the Indian girls. She looked intently at the Indian girls, original inhabitants of America. She looked hard. Look hard means to look intently or look intensely. Look seriously, you can say, at the Indian girls, who seemed not to care that they were even more immodestly dressed than I. Those Indian girls didn't seem to be caring about their dresses. They didn't bother about their dresses. They were actually dressed immodestly, but they were not ready to bother about it. They didn't want to be bothered about their dresses. But Jitkala had an uncomfortable position because of her dress. She was so ashamed that she felt like sinking to the floor because of his dress, who seemed not to care that they were even more immodestly dressed than I, in their tightly fitting clothes. All those girls were wearing those clothes which were tightly fitting. While we marched in, the boys entered at an opposite door. While we marched in, the boys entered at an opposite door. While they were going in a line, going in the queue, they saw some boys entering from the opposite door. I watched for the three young braves. Note the word braves, Braves. The word brave is an adjective, but here it has been used as a noun. Braves. It seems to be plural of brave, but its meaning is quite different. Braves. Actually, it has here been used as a noun. Here, brave means a North American Indian soldier. A North American Indian soldier. Thank you, children.